So here's an interesting thing. We had if you've been playing along on the board game at home, we had a freeze in here the other day. We came in, it was 3 degrees. Most of the EM machines were in a sad state because all of the grease that lubricates the stepper motors, then it all locked up, and so it was kind of a horrible day. But most of the solid state machines were more or less fine. Turned on Rollergames, it went fa-buzz, fa-boom, pop, and it wouldn't start. Don't quote me on that, but it was something like that. So I let the room warm up and stuff. We had just too many things on our plate, so I didn't get a chance to look at this right away. And then I eventually did look at it, and it had blown several fuses. I wasn't even getting the display on it. It was in a really sad state. And so I went through and I'm replacing all these fuses. I don't even remember how many there were. Got it up and going, started the game. It started up. Everything seemed fine, but it was kind of going tonk, tonk, tonk. Something was actuating, and I wasn't really sure what it was. So it was the diverter that goes down into the lock ball mechanism. And I also found out that this kickback over here on the left side, that wasn't working either. And something else wasn't working, but we were playing it later that day, and when you locked the multi-ball, it wasn't releasing the multi-ball. So what was happening is that the solenoid for the multi-ball to kick it out would fire. At the same time, the diverter would fire. And one ball would be able to sneak through, but the other ones would just sit in there, and it couldn't get out, and then the diverter continued to fire. When you turn the machine on, that diverter would fire. So I had looked into it, wondering if I had missed a fuse, and there was a fuse under the playfield. I finally got a chance to look for it. I looked for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, like where the hell is this damn fuse? And I finally found it. So I'll show you where it is. Let me, remember this thing I made? Let's do this so the ball doesn't fall out. All right. So the fuse actually lives, it's not up here, it's not up here, it's like behind this bundle of wires right here. Right there. So, let's start a game by accident on a different machine. Let's pop that out and we'll throw a new one in. I already know this one is dead because it's the dead one I pulled out, and I just had it in there for demonstration's sake. It's sort of in a bad location. I suppose if one wanted to, you could probably move it up. It looks like you could probably move it to right here, so it's a little bit easier to see and get to. All right, so let's try this. I have two balls are locked here. Take this off. And when we turn it on, it should kick those out now that the fuse is replaced. All right, so that's working. So now, our kickback should work as well. There we go. And this, lock one. Block 2. Block 3. Oh, do I need to trigger something up there? I might have to trigger something. Ah! Now these should all kick out together. Diverter kicks open, and out they go. So that's kind of caught me off guard because it seemed peculiar that just with that fuse out, that these would work. I have to look at the schematics and figure out where that fuse actually goes. But if you have a Rollergames and that diverter is just sitting there firing, and and this isn't working, it's this fuse under here on the plate. That should be all it is. I just wanted to make a quick video because it was kind of quirky. It was one of those kind of quirky things. And I guess I don't have anything else to say. So, thanks for watching.